Hi sa lahat! Magandang gabi! Oras na naman para sa ating Learn Tagalog pronunciation video. And our first one ay prove it. Prove it. Patunayan mo. Patunayan mo. Patunayan mo. Patunayan mo. Next word, electricity. You can say elektrisidad o kuryente. Elektrisidad o kuryente. Elektrisidad, elektrisidad, or you can say kuryente. 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 But between the two, it is kuryente that is often used. Kuryente o elektrisidad. And we have affected. Apektado. 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 Next word, ambisyon. 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 Ambition. At for the ladies, ambisyosa. Ambitious. Ambisyosa. Ambisyosa. For the guys, ambitious, ambisyoso. 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 And we had more examples using cada. Cada. English equivalent, cada could mean per, each, or every. Example o halimbawa, mga halimbawa. Examples, every year, kada taon. Every month, kada buwan. Per hour, kada oras. If you want to ask, how much is your rate per hour? Magkano ang rate mo kada oras? And another example, each bags, kada kahon. Each one, kada isa. I agree with you. Sang-ayon ako sa'yo. Sang-ayon ako sa'yo. Sang-ayon ako sa'yo. I can't open it. Hala ka. Lagot ka. Lagot ka. Mama, Press is messing with your perfume. Now she can't open it. Let's say the phrase again. Lagot ka. Lagot ka. Or sometimes, hala ka, accompanied with hala ka, lagot ka. And that would be the Tagalog equivalent of the English, uh-oh, you're in trouble. You're in trouble. Lagot ka. Lagot ka. Uh-oh, you're in trouble. Hala ka. Lagot ka. Lagot ka. Hala ka. Hala ka. Lagot ka. Artista. Artista. Artista means an actor or an actress. Either an actor or an actress. Sinong paborito mong artista? Who's your favorite artista? So, there's no gender there and being asked, sinong paborito mong artista? Who's your favorite artista? And sometimes the person being asked would like, and the asker would notice that and would say, oh, I mean, sinong paborito mong artistang lalaki? Or who's your favorite actor? Or sinong paborito mong artistang babae? Who's your favorite actress? Or sometimes the person being asked would say, oh, you mean lalaki o babae? Male or female? Artista could either mean an actress or an actor. We have sabay. 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 Sabay means to do things together. So, for example, estudiante ka, you're a student, and you just left the house one morning to go to school, and you saw your neighbor and he or she is just about to go to school too, and you want to say, let's walk to school together, or let's go to school together. Sabay na tayo. Sabay na tayo. That means, let's walk to school together, or let's go to school together. Sabay na tayo. Or, your husband just came home, or your son or daughter, and you asked your husband or your daughter or your son, and you said, have you eaten? And the answer was, no, not yet. And you haven't eaten yet, so you want to say, let's eat together, or let's just have a meal together. Sabay na tayo. Sabay na tayo. Hey, Presi, did you pass your project yesterday? Kahapon ang deadline, right? Hindi pa. And the deadline, bukas. So, I'm going to pass my project tomorrow. Talaga? Wow, that's good then. So, I'm just going to submit my project tomorrow too. Sabay na tayo? Yeah, sure. Why not? Sige, sabay na tayo. Gusto mo? Would you like some? If you would like to offer your food or your snack, would you like some? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Salamat. Gusto mo pa? Ubus na? Ubus na. Ubus na. Ubus na. Ubus na. All gone. Ubus na. Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. Bye. Good night na.